This tribe speaks one of the most difficult language to pronounce. These are the Hadzabe, a tribe found in the middle of this jungle. They speak Hadzane, a language in the form of clicks.
Their language is one of the hardest, toughest and most complicated in the world. It's not just hard to speak, there is basically no alphabet for these click sounds, which makes it impossible to even write it down.
Yeah.
We just arrived where the Hadzabe tribe lives, and these are considered as one of the last hunter-gatherers in the world. And there are only a bit more than 1,200 of them remain, and they're located here in Northern Tanzania. And this is a place how their residential places look like. There are several camps around here, but we're about to get introduced to them, and for us to get the introduction from them to understand who are we going to be with, because we'll be here for the next few days, and I'm excited to show you exactly what is gonna happen. But first thing first is, how do we say hello? So Charles, how do we say hello?
We just say Mutana Bawa.
Mutana Bawa. Mutana Bawa.
Anabawa.
Mutana Bawa.
Abebawa.
Mutana Bawa.
Anabawa.
I am here with my friend Jamal, and Charles is a usual guest. He's been a guide for a while. He can understand and speak a little bit of Hadzane, a language only spoken by the Hadzabe tribe, and he